What up, guys? Today is 11th of January 2026. All right, so let's do some breakdown analysis on BTC USD. All right, so on BTC USD, as you can see here on my screen, we are on a 4-hour time frame. Same analysis, same criteria, same setup, same patient, and what? Same entries. All right, so as you can see, we are on Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. So let's break down the analysis together. This is not ICT concept. This is not SMC smart money concept or whatever concept. This is institution price concept. How the banks are trading, how the institutions are what trading, how the hedge funds are what trading. This is just pure price action trading. You don't need to design your chart. You don't need to do whatever, like pack a lot of indicators. Bro, all those shits are not profitable. This is what the only strategy that will give you what massive risk to reward and what and a good trading plan, which is your risk management, and everything will be what intact. So as you can see on my previous video, I talked about what understand the overall structure. Here on Bitcoin, we are massively on downtrend on Bitcoin. As you can see, the price is giving what lower lows, lower highs, and now we have this new lower low, right? So if you go back to the chart now, you can see this is the previous high price made before. Sorry about that. So this is the previous high price made before coming all the way down here to make a low. And you see price has been what ranging in this zone. Price has been what ranging. Price has been what ranging here. You see price has been what ranging. So this shows you like, okay, this price doesn't want to pull down anymore. Price don't want to do what pull down anymore. So let's break it down again to the recent market structure to understand how it works. So now, as you can see, we have a range in here also. We have a minor range in here also. You see, we have some minor range in here also. This is a ranging zone. Now, last week, price breaks above this ranging, giving us what in fresh higher high. Once you see a higher high, the next thing you'll be expecting what is what a higher low, right? Now price pull back from this higher high, giving us what a higher low. Now if you look clearly based on our strategy, we need all our criteria, we need all our setup to what to align. Here we have an order block before this move to the upside. Here was a resistance. Now the resistance become what support. So now this is our support, which is already marked here. This is our support level. Okay, so now as a trader with this confluence, you need to do what? Take out your tools, which is your fib tools. Take from the swing low, which is here is the lowest point recently, from your swing low to what? Your swing high. As you can see, now price is doing what? Price came back to the 50% Fibonacci, which aligns to what your resistance become what support, which align also with what your order block, which align with the current trend, which is what a bullish trend. Market is giving higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, and now it comes back for what higher low, which is most trader will say is a break and retest. Okay, if that is what they call it, it's okay. But now we have this first indication here. This first indication, we are not buying from this loan because we don't know if price will fake out and comes down to give us what a ranging market continuation. But now we have seen that price broke above it clearly with multiples of bullish candle closing above the zone. That is what we are now having this confidence. Okay, whenever price pull back for higher low, what we are expecting now is what? A new higher high. A new what? Higher high. So now as a trader, you have understand the market flow, the order flow, and how you can take advantage. So now you have to say, okay, this is where our entry was supposed to be. You see the first rejection, second rejection, even the third time price came here, you see the rejection. So this is where our entry was supposed to be. And our sniper entry, bro, this strategy will give you what? Sniper entry. So this is where we were supposed to enter, but unfortunately I missed it because I was so busy focusing on gold with my students, and I have some other schedules I'm running, so I didn't pay attention to BTC. But today I just said, okay, let me see what BTC is giving us. Let's see how it goes. And I found out that we have missed sweet setup on BTC. Bro, look at it. So from here to here, it's giving you 1 to 10. 1 to 10 risks to reward. That means even if you're risking $100, you'll be having what? $1,000. If you're risking $1,000, you'll be having what? $10,000. Bro, this strategy IPC concept is not joke. Just follow the rules, have your patience, and take your sniper entry. All right, so let me delete this because we did not take our entry here. So now this is where it becomes to get more interesting. All right, let's see. Now you see price is doing what? Giving us a double bottom here. Came in and makes a week's rejection. You see the week's rejection. So now here is what? A double bottom. Price came back to retest the double bottom and close bullish engulfing candle. You see, this is a price action that is showing you that there are buyers sitting here, right? Okay, now you see a bullish engulfing candle, and what happened? Here is a resistance, right? Here is a resistance. Now price is breaking above this resistance. So my entry was supposed to be here, which I missed. Was supposed to be here, which I missed. So now price breaking above this minor resistance is giving me a confirmation that our next target should be 94,800 and 97,500 on BTC. Jot this down, guys. Jot this down. BTC is going to work. First target should be 94,800. Second target should be what? 97,500. Today date is 11th January 2026. What I'm telling you guys is this is the projection on BTC US dollar. This is my projection. So if you come across this video, you can take advantage and look at where I place my stop loss. Just a sniper entry, and your stop loss should be below the support if you're buying, below the support if you're selling, above the resistance. You see this? This is 1 to 24 risks to reward. Can you see this? 1 to 24 risks to reward. All right, guys. So expect Bitcoin 94,800 and 97,500. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel and also join my free Telegram channel where I give market updates, I give market analysis,